You've stared at them your whole life, every car, every window, that band of tiny black dots creeping along the glass. Most people think it's decoration, a design choice, something cosmetic. It isn't. Those dots are the only thing standing between you and your windshield peeling off the car at highway speed. And here's the part nobody tells you. Engineers didn't design them for that reason. The dots were invented to solve a completely different problem. And in solving it, they accidentally revealed something terrifying about the glass sitting 3 inches from your face right now. Before the 1970s, car windows weren't glued in. They were clamped. Rubber gaskets, metal frames, brute force. It failed constantly. Leaks, rattles, windows that popped loose on bad roads. So engineers did something radical. They glued the glass directly to the car's steel frame using urethane adhesive, a bond so strong the windshield became load-bearing. It now helps hold your roof up in a rollover. Problem solved. Revolution complete. Except the moment they did that, they handed the sun a weapon. Urethane adhesive has one enemy: ultraviolet light. UV doesn't just fade it, it dismantles it at the molecular level, unravels the chemical chains holding it together, turns a structural vice grip into something you could peel with your fingernail. And where does UV hit hardest on a windshield? The edges. The exact millimeter-wide strip where the adhesive bead sits. Engineers needed a UV shield baked into the glass itself, something permanent, something that couldn't degrade. So they fired ceramic paint onto the glass at 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't sit on the surface, it fuses with it. You can't scratch it, you can't peel it. It becomes the glass. They called it the frit. The solid black band running along the very edge, that's the frit at full density. Total UV blockade. The adhesive underneath it is completely shielded. Problem solved. Except fixing the UV problem created a new one, a physical one that could shatter your windshield from the inside out without warning on a perfectly clear day. Black absorbs heat, clear glass doesn't. So the moment direct sunlight hits your windshield, the frit band and the transparent glass are living in two completely different thermal realities, separated by a distance of about 1 centimeter. Glass expands when it heats up. When one section expands and the adjacent section doesn't, the glass stresses, internally, invisibly. Push that stress far enough and it doesn't warn you. It doesn't creak. It doesn't bend. It fractures, spontaneously, while you're parked, while you're driving, while you're doing nothing at all. This is called thermal stress fracture. In extreme climates, it's the single leading cause of windshields cracking for no apparent reason. And a hard edge between pitch black frit and perfectly clear glass creates the sharpest possible thermal cliff. Maximum temperature difference across minimum distance. Maximum stress concentration. Maximum cracking risk. The frit, the thing invented to save the windshield, was quietly destroying it. The dots are the solution to the solution's problem. They don't block UV. The solid band already does that. They exist purely to smooth the thermal cliff. Instead of a hard thermal wall, the dots create a gradient, a staircase. The temperature doesn't plunge from 160 degrees to 80 degrees in 1 millimeter. It steps down across 20, 30, 40 incremental zones, each dot absorbing and radiating slightly less heat than the last. The sizing isn't random, it's calculated. Bigger, denser dots near the frit band. Maximum heat transition needed there. Smaller, more isolated dots near the clear glass. Minimal transition required. Every single dot is exactly the size it needs to be, placed exactly where physics demands it. Every car, every country, every road on Earth. The same mathematically engineered ceramic gradient, fired at 1200 degrees, solving a problem most engineers didn't even know they'd created. You've been looking through precision thermal engineering your entire life. You just never looked at it. If you enjoyed learning the hidden story behind this simple thing, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more surprising histories. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.